Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the quality of YouTube videos and setting default video quality on the YouTube app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the YouTube app and open a video. When you are on a video, tap on the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Select Quality from the menu. Here are the quality options for your current video. You can choose Auto, Higher Picture Quality or Data Saver. Auto will choose the quality based on your current internet connection. Higher Picture Quality will load a higher picture quality even when you have slow internet. And Data Saver will load lower quality. If you would like to choose the quality of the video manually, you can tap on Advanced, where you can choose between the different resolutions. But this is still just for the video that you are currently watching. To set the default quality for all videos you watch, you need to tap on Video Quality Preferences at the bottom here. Here you have the video quality preferences for mobile networks and Wi-Fi separately. The options are the same as before: Auto, Higher Picture Quality and Data Saver. But you can select different options for when you are on mobile data and when you are on Wi-Fi. For some reason, there is no way to set a specific resolution as default. Frustratingly, you can only change the resolution on the video you are currently watching. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.